currently. And this through very soon.
Sure. There are places in Meru that are marginalized zones, places that are arid and semi-arid, that
connectivity. So we have that collaboration. What we do, we ensure that we discuss with them what is their need, what do they want us to invest in, and that way we always address their need. Mayors here within the Meru town, we have good relationship. We work with them. We relate even with the ongoing Meru SEWARAGE. We are in constant consultation with them.
Nyeri, Kirinyaga, Embu, and Tharaka Nithi. In Tharaka Nithi, actually, some part of Tharaka, they are very marginalized in terms of lack of water supply. Watu wanaumia. I don't know what the agency is doing to ensure even Tharaka Nithi people, them that have been left behind in terms of the water service provision.